Alright guys, hello and welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to be changing out the toolbox on my truck. The rain has finally stopped, but I am still sick, so I want to try to make this as short as possible. I had this old Delta that my dad gave me to haul stuff around in. It kind of sucks. The lock's only like half work on it. The latches suck. The shocks suck. Pretty much, it's like worn out, and it needs new seals and stuff like that because it leaks. So I bought this weather guard box. I paid $180, I think, for it, something like that. I'll show it off to you guys here in just a second. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So real quick guys, I just wanted to talk about how I secured the toolbox. So over there, there's like a little hook and a bolt that comes down. Basically, I'm moving this real quick. That bolt right there goes down through, and it's almost like a J-hook type that grabs on into there and holds it in place. So that is how I attach the toolbox. I just wanted to go over that real quick. So yeah guys. Okay guys, so ignore my dirty truck, but this is the new box that I have on here. I was gonna record a showcase video, like a little showcase clip. That's what I'm doing now. It's already on the truck. So something cool to note right off the bat, these hooks right here, these things are strong. Okay, they basically hold the weight of the box, so you can strap stuff to it and hold it down. That's kind of cool. The other thing is the locks are really cool. As you can see, this is pushed in. If I, put the key in and turn it, the locks pull out. And then I can raise the box like this. And as you can see, the shocks are boxed in. The locks are boxed in, so nothing can hit them. Most of your rails are boxed in. There's one down there. Yeah, you can see it right there running along. That one rail is exposed, but that's actually what happened to my other box, is there was nothing here to keep the pressure off of this, so I had something set here that was hitting this, and that was causing it not to close right. So yeah guys, it's a pretty neat box. Weather guards, like I said, they are quite expensive. Are they worth the money? I don't know, man. This thing feels strong. There's no play in the thing. So this is a used box, so this is not a new box. I did not buy this thing new. Like I said, guys, I bought it from somebody. He was selling it because he wanted one of the embed toolboxes. But anyways, so yeah. So that's the showcase of the box. As you can see, the clearance. It sits all the way at the back of the bed, no problem. So yeah. We got new wheels. We got a new toolbox. We got a clean truck. We got a Victor holding a bolt.
This one?
Yes, that one. And honestly, this thing has a lot more room than my other one did. Like, it looks like it's the same size from the outside, but it's actually a little bit wider. And it looks to me like it's a little bit deeper because this came almost all the way up to the top of my old one. And it sinks down actually a good bit in this one. I can actually fit 2 of these big boxes in here now.
What do you mean?
Like I could fit 2 of these sizes in this toolbox.
Oh, really?
Plus that black one that I have in the middle. Yeah, this thing's cool. I like this one a lot.